I am going to briefly go through the steps of cleaning a machine overnight. Take off the black plastic. Pop this loose. Get the O-rings out. Open this cartridge and fill with one of these packets, like this. All right, put on the lid. Turn off the machine.
Power off.
Put the new cartridge cleaner in. Lock it in. And then you run it. Make sure it's cold. And you run it just until you taste the citrus coming out of here, and you stop. Just bring a bead up to the top with the water and sit overnight.